Chapter 3, Organizing and Graphing Data. Step 1 in organizing data is to order in some way. Could be highest to lowest, lowest to highest, alphabetical. When scores in a distribution repeat, researchers may choose to tally the scores in order to eliminate the need for a list of duplicates. A frequency distribution is a list of scores that have been ordered and tallied. When a distribution has a wide range of scores, 20 or more, it is recommended that every few be grouped in class intervals. When class intervals are used, some precision is lost. When using class intervals, they should have the same width, range of numbers, and the same number cannot be in more than one interval. Data can be organized using a cumulative frequency distribution, which shows the number and percentage of scores at or above a given score. Graphing data. Graphs convey numerical information in visual form. It is important to choose the correct visual to represent data. Graphs should be clearly labeled and be easy to read and interpret. Histograms and frequency polygons. First of all, here is my histogram. You'll notice on the histogram that the bars are right next to one another. There is no space in between the bars. A frequency polygon is very similar to a histogram, but usually frequency polygons are represented with the lines that we see here, right? Well, all right. Histograms and frequency polygons are used to visually display frequency distributions. When drawing a histogram or frequency polygon, the following guidelines must be used. The vertical axis represents frequencies and the horizontal axis represents scores or class intervals. The lower values of both axes are at the point of their intersection. A pie graph looks like a circle that is divided into wedges or segments. These are good for showing representation within the whole. A bar graph is used to represent nominal categorical data. Joint bars may be used to compare data from two or more groups within a category. Now what that means is you may have two bars that are together comparing the same thing, but then there'll be a space different from the histogram between the bars. There'll be a space between each thing that I'm observing. The line graph is used to show trends and changes in values over time. Line graphs can be used to compare multiple groups where each group on the graph is represented by its own line. Notice here how the trend is going up. The box plot, also known as the box and whiskers, consists of a box and two whiskers and is used to depict the skewness of frequency distributions. The box represents the middle 50% or the distribution, and the whiskers show the top and bottom 25%. To create a box plot, first the scores are ordered and divided into quartiles 1, 2, 3, and 4. The two middle quartiles, 2 and 3, form the box, while 1 and 4 form the whiskers.